Buying Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies? It's never been this convenient with Apple Pay or Google Pay on BingX. Before you dive in, make sure you've completed your KYC verification and set up Apple Pay or Google Pay on your device. Ready? Let's dive in. On the BingX homepage, click Buy Crypto, then Quick Buy. Choose the fiat currency to use and crypto to buy. Enter the amount and hit Buy. Select Apple Pay, agree to the terms, and click Buy. Authenticate the purchase. If you're using Google Pay, complete the 3DS authentication instead. Once it's done, click View Assets to check your balance, or View Order for transaction details. Start your crypto journey seamlessly on BingX today.